Check out the snow, boys. This is just in my driveway. So far this year, Moncton, New Brunswick, we got 475-ish centimeters of snow, which equals out to be about 15.5 feet. To put it in perspective, that's a lot of snow. Big snowblower went by last night and trimmed away all the banks here, so we have enough room for more than just one car at a time. You can really tell how high they are. Well, we're finally getting going after everything. Little screwing around there with my ramps. Didn't really want to leave them in the back of the truck. The only reason is I'm scared someone's going to steal them, and normally I don't care, but a friend of mine the other day, guy you seen on one of my videos there, with he just bought the blue Grizzly. He got his tailgate stolen on a new style GMC Sahara. Yeah, so this here's a shared trail for sledders and ATVers. Full of whoops here at the start, so it's kind of annoying. You can't really go fast. This is all a part of the ATV club that I'm part of, is the Albert County Trailblazers. This is all their trails. They groom it, and like I was saying, this is a shared trail, but normally the four-wheelers don't go anywhere near the sledders trails. So anyways, I've been dying to get out. So I took today and tomorrow off work. Slow time of the year for me, so. All old railway bed, so in the summer this is pretty cool. It's a big river here. I think it's a branch of the Petitcodiac River. See the Skidoors Road on it. I don't trust it that much, so I just stay away from the ice usually. A little after 10 in the morning. Trails are awesome today. Holy cow. First time I had my bike out to these trails in a long, long time. We're always heading up to a different area, but forgot how nice they were in the winter. -2 today. So it's not too cold. I don't have the hand warmers on or anything like that. I always wondered what that building was. Like a lighthouse. Must have a nice view. The windmills across. Well, I can't see them today, but they're over there. we had kind of a near miss here. I was cruising along, and once we got off the shared trail, the four-wheeler trail is not quite as good, and I hit like a dip right here, and then the front tires dug in because this isn't really padded down like the old trail. It steered me right towards the trees here, but it wasn't going too fast, so seems to be going pretty good here. I might stop and let some air to my tires because they're set up for summer driving, and get a little more surface area might help me. This is a nice big trestle bridge here. You see all the stud marks on the skidoos. Bunch of ducks flying. They should be down south, but I let some air into the tires. Hopefully that will help. A little bit wider surface area. Well, I slipped off the side of the trail. This snow is deep. Let the winch do the work. So here we are again. Stuck. I don't think the groomer's been through here, to be honest with you. It looks like a bunch of sled tracks. Don't have much of an option for winching. I don't know if my thing will reach that or not. So anyways, I don't know, boys. She got stuck again here. It seems to be okay in the woods, but then when you get in these areas where they're logged, you get these drifts and it gets stuck, and I'm by myself. I got to try to winch to that tree. It was like maybe 8 inches too short to reach a tree. Tried the little route there, that didn't work. So then I had to winch it this way, which isn't the way I wanted to go because it kind of angles back down into the ditch. But with the wheels cocked and everything, got it to that tree there and got out. But I mean, she's hard going. Do you keep going or what? Like, is it gonna get worse or better or what? I don't know. Stop here, have a little fuel up here, and this week's episode is sponsored by Warren Wench, because that's all I've done today. Look at this. Snow's ridiculous. Thank God I had some trees around me. After today, I might have to invest in one of those track systems like you see Cubby ZX doing there. Probably not though, I'd probably just end up buying a skidoo. most people around here, their four-wheelers don't come out until the snow's gone anyway, so. Just heading back. We're gonna find a spot to stop and have a little bite to eat. A cup of hot chocolate or tea or something, maybe a coffee, we'll see. There's those signs I was telling you about. Trail 3 is the rail bit. Oh, I thought I had it recording here. I just about made it. Oh, the hard spot where it slopes down towards this tree. I got to here, started spinning. Oh, I'll give you that. Oh, look, I didn't step right there. So impede. This is up to the very top of my knee. So I'm gonna have to winch myself out once again. Fire going here on the side of the trail. Cook up a couple sausages. Some more wood there. Should have a good amount of coals to cook the sausages on after that. Just pulled over to the side here. Gonna have some coffee and hot chocolate mixed up here. You can hear the sleds off in the distance. Cooked up on my Coleman stove there, dual fuel, single burner, love it. Add a little milk to this, sausage is still cooking. It's really warm out today, I probably don't even need this. Whatever though. Had it all with me, so I figured I'd make something. Sausage is done there. A little crispy on one side because when I was take my long johns off, the flames looked up and burnt her, but she's good. Some Dijon mustard, my favorite because it's a bit spicy. Got some bits and bites and some of these. I'm gonna put the fire out here. It's pretty much out, and then kick the snow all over it so it puts it out even more and leave no trace type of thing. Well, it's that time. We gotta get back. It's been an awesome day. Got my this was where the fire was. I dumped water on it and then kicked a bunch of snow all over it and packed it down, and couple extra logs are just stuck in the snow, but I had a couple more sledders go by and I got one wave from one of them, but got a sled coming up here. Just gonna pull over so he has lots of room to get by. away from him. And we're back. Check out those snowbanks from the drifting, because there's big fields there, right? Halfway up telephone poles. I'm just taking the back way back to town here, so a little bit nicer. The snow's unbelievable. I think I need a sled.